Okay, take your feet. Okay, 4 feet wide. Okay, actually, before we do warrior two, I just want to tell you about that. When you do warrior two, it involves quite a lot of hip opening. To start with this side, first side. So whatever your hip condition is, the right foot should be out for 90 degrees, and this knee should go to the same direction. Okay. Now, if your hip is okay, you can keep this back foot more or less pointing straight, or just turning a little bit. But if you find this difficult, then you can actually turn this foot in more. Then that accommodates more of the hip. Okay. And once you're here, instead of opening the hip, if you bring this hip in, then again that accommodates this side. So if you're having problem with the hip on the first side, then it's something you can think about that you can work with. Okay. But if your hip is absolutely fine, then don't worry about this. Okay. So take your feet 4 feet wide. Right foot out, so the foot goes 90 degrees. Left foot is either keep it more or less straight or turn a lot if you like. Okay, arms to shoulder height. Okay, turn your head, look over the right hand. Inhale, chest open. Exhale, bend your right knee deeply. So keep looking over the right hand. Okay, so stomach tucked in, back leg strong. So push your back foot. If you are having a hip issue, then turn in the back hip. Okay, come up and release. Let's change size. Okay, left foot out. Right foot hand in, arms to shoulder. Okay, turn your head, look over the left hand. Inhale. Exhale, bend your left knee deeply. So toes, knee, toe, knee, fingers point in the same way. Okay, so if you want, if necessary, then think about turning this hip in. Back toe can be turned in a bit more. Chest opens, but if you don't have any hip problem, then try to be as open as you can. Okay, come up and release.